Yeah, the let's say the most current topic that we're having at the moment is enlarging our production facility. If you were with me and I would invite you to go outside a building, you would see massive hole in the ground, which is just next to our main production building, where we are building the new production hall. And this space will include entirely new powder paint shop, which will be installed at the end of this, at the beginning of the next year. And this is very important for us mm, because painting was, let's say, kind of narrow path for us in the recent months, and it when we had a lot of orders, it limited our production. So in this way, we will achieve, we will increase capacity of our production, and of course, we will improve even more quality of our painting. But this has also direct connection with the transport cages for gas cylinders, because even though they are galvanized, usually not powder coated, we have the same team in our company, the same team of people that is dealing with powder coating and finishing the product after hot-dip galvanization. So equipping, putting all parts together, and making the products ready for transport. So let's say by taking the load from these guys from the powder paint shop, we'll be able also to produce even more transport cages for gas cylinders, and focus in this industry even more. Second important plan for the future is also going further towards the development of technologies that we already have in our plant, mostly robotic welding. At this point, we have 5 robotic welding stations, which are used for welding of the steel cages. We plan purchase of 2 additional. All this to become more and more independent on let's say any harmful factors that can come to production, and to increase also our capacity to meet the demand of the biggest players in the market. And regarding our plans, also internally, is development of the new products, which takes place all the time, but also redesigning of the products that we already have. Redesigning means that even though we have products that are already existing in our portfolio, we constantly work on improving designs of these products. Sometimes these changes in the design may not be even seen by the customer, because these are tiny improvements that we undertake to make the production run smoother, to improve the quality of welding, or any other production stage. And so this is also our plan for the future. And obviously, we're going to expand by having all this production capacity, by having all these technical possibilities. We are focusing on new markets, among which, for example, Middle East, among which France, which seems to be not so distant destination for us, but let's say the one that hasn't been well discovered yet, and diversifying the database of our customers, so that we are sure that we can always fill in our production.